welcome. My name is Jocelyn and today I have an unboxing video for you. This is my second unboxing of Confetti Collections. So this is what the box looks like. It's freaking huge. What Confetti Collections is, it is a bi-monthly subscription box. It contains basically stationery items, so lifestyle items, giftable type of items, all kinds of fun stuff in here. I do have one other unboxing on my channel that I will link down below in case you want to check it out. So it is, like I mentioned, bi-monthly. You can pay $19.99 every other month to get this box, or you can pay for all 6 boxes for the year up front for a total of $105. And the value in these boxes is about $50, so you are getting, you know, some bang for your buck. They did reach out and ask if I wanted to receive a second box, so I did not pay for this, just wanted to give you the heads up, but I'm also not being paid to review this box. They just sent it for free for review, but all thoughts and opinions, of course, are my own. So I will of course leave all of the information down in the description box in case you want to go check out Confetti Collection and maybe sign up for yourself. Hi, it's me popping in, same shirt, same hair, different makeup, different day. I'm popping in to tell you that Confetti Collections has offered to do a giveaway for you guys, which is super exciting, obviously. The giveaway is for one of their boxes. It will be a surprise. I do not believe that it's going to be the same box that you're going to be seeing in today's video, but you will be receiving one of their boxes, which is very obviously exciting. How many times am I going to say that? The giveaway is being held over on Instagram, my Instagram, so I will have a link right at the top of the description box so that you can click over to Instagram, or if you already follow me, you can go to my Instagram page. It is charismatic.claire. The same time that this video is going up, I will be posting a photo over on Instagram. All you have to do to enter, it's pretty simple. You have to follow my Instagram page, you have to follow Confetti Collections page, and then you have to tag one friend under the photo that I've posted, and that's it. Then I will go and randomly select the winner. The giveaway will be open for 3 days. I will have all of those details down in this video description box, as well as the description caption under the photo on Instagram. So that's it. Follow us too and tag one person under my post and you are entered to win a Confetti Collections box. One other thing I should mention, they only ship to the continental United States. So unfortunately, if you live outside of that area, you're not eligible to win, and I do apologize for anybody who does live outside of the continental United States, but hopefully I will have more giveaways in the future which can include a bigger variety of you guys, because I love all of you equally. So I think that's it, but I wanted to make sure that I came in here to tell you the exciting news that I do have a giveaway going with Confetti Collections as of this moment when this video is going live until 3 days from now. So I'll have the exact closing time and all of that down below and in the caption of that photo. So without further ado, let's get on with the unboxing. And I think that's probably all of the information I need to give to you. I am very eager to open this box. I have not a clue what's inside of here. It does feel pretty heavy. I'm pretty sure that it's heavier than last month's box, which is very exciting. I might have to back up a little bit because of how big this box is. We do have the tape right here, so let's go ahead and open her up. All right. What does it look like? What does it look like? Ooh, we got bubble wrap, which is helping protect the goods inside of here. Oh, we also got a bunch of wormies in here that are helping protect all of the items. All right, so here's our sack full of goodies, and then here's the box full of wormies. Go ahead and put that down, and then this is what we are left with. It's a pretty heavy little sack, so I'm really excited to... All right, so let me open up the sticker here. Ooh, ooh. Okay, so we've got a little note on the front here. It says, surprise, plan a party. If you love Confetti Collection, then we know you love a good party. But why not make planning a party just as fun as the party itself? Well, we're here to tell you that you can have it all with our Plan a Party box. So call your gal pals and let's get this party started. Post the pics using Confetti, hashtag Confetti Collection box. All right, so this is the theme of this box is planning a party, which is kind of fun. I see that we have some paper plates in here and some napkins. Oh, I love the peachy tone in here. Oh, so cute. Okay, so let's figure out how to open this. We'll pull out these two first since these are the ones I already kind of pointed out. Oh, how pretty. Oh, wow. Okay, so these are the first, which makes sense. When you plan a party, like a birthday party or something like that, oftentimes you'll get some paper plates and paper napkins, and look at how pretty those are. Oh my gosh. It's like a nice watercolor kind of pattern on here, and then the napkins, of course, match. These are by C.R. Gibson. And it looks like we got 40 napkins and 16 plates. So these are really cute. I could definitely use these. All right, moving on. Oh my gosh, how cute. So the next thing, before I move on, is a card. Look at how funny this little card is. It says, may your life be filled with one good hair day after another. And then it has these little people on here with little like tassels for hair. And it looks like the message inside is wishing you the simple pleasures in life. This is so cute. I'm sure I could definitely find a use for this. This could even be a birthday card. It doesn't say happy birthday, but I could write happy birthday on the inside. Or if I just wanna send this to somebody who I'm thinking about. All right, next we have a couple more little ribbon type things. We have this little ribbon because, you know, it comes with stationery things and giftable type things. So I love that they send like cards and bows, and sometimes they send bags too, which is nice because I hate buying stuff like this. It's always maybe not always necessary, but it's, for me, I love decorating presents that I send to people or give to people with like bows and just make it look really pretty. And I love this color. So we got a little bow right here, and then we also have one of the ribbon circle thingies. They had a pink one last month, and then this month they have a mint blue one. I like this color a lot more. Ooh, oh my gosh, how cute. Oh, how fun. So next we have a pin in here. This is by X&O Paper Goods. So this is the cutest little pin. So it's like a rose gold pin, and it has a little flamingo charm at the top. Look at how cute that is. I work in an office, so I'm constantly writing stuff down, and I'm definitely gonna bring this into the office because how cute is this to write with? It's so cute, and rose gold and copper, that's like my favorite metal tone, so this is perfect. The color themes of this box seem to be mint and like a peachy, coppery rose gold tone, which I'm super about that. Next, we have, ooh, what is this? Ooh, what is this? Make today count. Oh yes, I love, in the last box, we got some notepads like this. So these are memo papers, and there's 200 sheets, and it's a little to-do list kind of thing. So as you can see, you have today's date up here, and then your to-do list, and then they are just little memo sheets. I could see this being super handy, just keeping it at home, and then Alex and I can, you know, create a to-do list for each other or our, like, you know, both of us that needs to get done for that day. This is super, super cute. I love this. And I love the color, and it's got some things around the edges that you could color in if you wanted to. So if you like to doodle, it's perfect. This is super cute. Make today count. How I love this. This is also by C.R. Gibson, so that's really neat. I love this. So far, I don't know, I really like the pen, but I also really, really like this. I love notepad things like this. Oh, so cute. And next, we have another to-do list, but this one has a magnet on the back, so you can magnetize it to a fridge, for example. I love the color on here. Look at how pretty this ombre peach coloring is, and then, you know, you could write in each of the stripes in here. This is super cute. I like this. I love this color story, and, you know, this is just something that's very aesthetically pleasing on a fridge. This is really cute. I like this. So this is by C.R. Gibson. Was this also by, yeah, this was by C.R. Gibson also. All right, and then I think we just have one more thing in here. Ooh, oh, these are great. So this month we got some file folders, and some of them have, I think you can kind of see these orange-ish stripes are metallic, so you can kind of see that sheen right there. And it looks like we've got maybe 3. Yeah, I think 3. We have one that is this striped one on top, and then we have a pink one that says think happy thoughts, and then another one that's more of like a light peach, which says amazing things will happen. And then they also provided these little stickers so that you could identify what's inside of each of these folders. This is actually great. I have some folders at work like this that I've been keeping files in, but you know, they're just like, they're ones that I found in my office and repurposed, so they're not the best quality, definitely not cute at all. So now I can replace them with some really cute happy folders. So that's really cool. I'm super stoked. So we have the file folders. We have the ombre notepad. the daily to-do list. I love this. Oh my gosh. We have the 2 ribbon items. I love this color. Super excited about that. And the card definitely will be very useful. The pin. And finally, the 2 party planning items. I think I'm definitely gonna get some use out of these. I just love these. I love the color on here. I love the aesthetic of this box. Super pretty. The peach and the blue and the light pink also. Very cute. Do I think all of these things are worth $19.99, basically $20? Yeah, I think so. I think that I definitely see the value here. There should be about $50 worth of products here, which sounds about right. I'm really excited to get some good use out of the items that came in this month's box. Again, this box does come every other month, so if you're using your notepads, you know, those you'll eventually use up, so it's good that you get fresh ones into your life. So if you use stationery items like this in your life, this box might definitely be something that you would be interested in. Again, I will have all of Confetti Collection's information down in the description box if you're interested. And don't forget to enter the giveaway. Popping in again to remind you to go over to Instagram, follow me, follow Confetti Collections, tag one friend. That's it, and you're entered to win. I think that's just about everything. If you liked this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you would like to subscribe for more content from me, don't forget to do so before you go. All buttons are down below. And I think that is everything I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.